Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. There's no long talking today. I'm just going to be showing you what I picked up from the Sephora VIP sale. Alright, so let's just jump right in. So the first thing that I picked up was Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. This is the full size, guys. I told you that I usually wait for the sale to pick up like things that I feel like are a little bit more on the pricier side or just my holy grails. You guys know that I purchased the mini size because I wanted to test it out and I fell in love with it. So here I am. I waited for the sale and I got the full size. So excited about this because it's about to be summertime and this is going to be the spray that you need in the summer, especially if you are an oily girl. Next thing I picked up was, this is the Remove It All cleanser, and I wanted to try this since I seen it, but I kind of just was waiting around to hear reviews. So I'm so excited about it because what it is, it's just a daily cleanser and a makeup remover in one. I usually use my micellar water, my wipes, all that, but sometimes you just want to do one and done. Okay, so this right here is just a face wash. I could take it all off, except for if you have like heavy eye makeup off. It says to remove makeup dirt and impurities. So I just want to see how well this works. I actually used to use an all-in-one remover by Aveeno, and that was really good, but I kind of just forgot about it. So when I saw this, I said I need to try this, and this is a large. Look at this. This is big. This is 4.9 ounces, so super excited to try that out. So the next thing I picked up was the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I told you guys I'm looking for concealers this time around because I just want to try something new, something different. You know, I've been using the same concealer for like 5 years. I was happy about that, but I just need a little change, you know, and I keep seeing this concealer everywhere. So I was just like, this has to be good. Like, everybody's using this. So it is a full coverage concealer. I got this one in Warm Sand, and this is a big bottle. So I'm super excited about using this. I'm going to be testing out all of the makeup that I purchased in another video, so you guys can stay tuned for that. This is the Neverfull Hydrating Beauty Oil. So the reviews on the website were amazing, but the packaging itself is pretty though. Like, this is this holographic box. Thought that was cute. But yeah, this is supposed to be a dry oil, and so therefore it's supposed to be able to work with every skin type. And what it says is a concentrated blend of hydrating facial oils infused with gold leaf. So basically, a lot of the girls I seen, they use this to get that beautiful dewy glowy skin, and you guys know I've been obsessed with getting that dewy glowy skin, so I will try different products to get that. I love that look, and I don't think I've perfected it yet. Oh my gosh, this has gold leaves in it. Okay guys, this is I'm so excited about this oil. It looks like it comes with a little dropper. Yes, you guys can see the little gold flakes in there. I am so excited to try this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Neverfull is actually a black owned beauty brand, so now available at Sephora, so you check it out. The reviews were just crazy good about this, so I can't wait. And the next product that I got is this Olaplex number 3 Perfector, and what this is it says repairs and strengthens all hair types, and so this is like a treatment. So use 1 time per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. The reviews, again, I love reviews. They were like, people were raving about this thing. After one use, their hair, their curl pattern came back. The texture of their hair was just a lot easier to work with. Raving. I'm a relaxed girl, okay guys, but since quarantine, March 2020, I have not had a relaxer. Oh, this smells so good. This smells so good. I like it. I can't wait to use this. Anyways, so I have not had a relaxer since, I think it was March. Yeah, so I haven't had a relaxer since March 2020. We're on our 3rd lockdown, so me getting to a salon and all that stuff, it's just been crazy anyways. So yeah, I'm transitioning by default. I really don't even know. My hair is damaged, so I'm going to be using this, and I'm also going to try it in my daughter's hair because I was putting heat on it, like blow drying it, and I don't really like using a lot of heat. So I'm hoping this can kind of just help maybe to strengthen her hair. I don't know, but I'm gonna try it. I did not go there to buy this, but the sales associate at Sephora, when I was picking up my other stuff, he told me that these were perfect for me to just boost radiance in my skin. And I told you guys I'm always looking for a glow. It was really cheap. I think it was like $20, and then they had 30% off plus the 20% off. So I said, why not? So this is a glycolic acid glow peel pads, radiance and smooth. It exfoliates your skin to give you a natural glow. The smoother your skin, the better the makeup application. So I'm gonna try those out. So if you've used this, let me know down below what your thoughts are. The reviews on influencer were kind of mixed, so I'm not really sure, but I'm definitely gonna use it. And if you want to know how it is, then just let me know and I'll give you an update. The next thing I picked up was this Benefit Precisely brow pencil. This is in number 4, warm deep brown. This pencil is one of my all-time favorite pencils. It is like so fine, and it gives you this super natural hair-like strokes. So this is how the pencil looks, and then it's just a nice, you know, pulled up like that, just like. So I told you guys I was on a hunt for the concealer. So I finally picked up the McGrath concealer. Everyone says that this is the concealer of all concealers. So I'm gonna finally be able to test it out. I'm so excited. If I could open it. As I picked it up in M20, but then I looked at, so I was looking at reviews first to figure out what shade to pick up, and the reviews led me to M20. But then I looked at someone else's video, and M20 is like my skin color. So kind of annoyed, but so then I just went back and ordered M15. So that's coming in the mail, but I'm still gonna, we'll still try this out and see like how it looks. Because I like a more brightened under eye when I use concealer. Yeah, the M20 is gonna work. It's just gonna blend in. Look at that. Nah, so I definitely need at least 1 to 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and that's literally like, look at that. So this was on sale at the Sephora, so I picked it up. I don't even know, like, do I need it? Probably not, but it's a face and body kabuki brush. I mean, it's kind of good. I like to have little travel brushes anyways. So my next video, I'm just going to be trying out some of these products all together, so you guys stay tuned for that. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.